Okay guys, so this is just a quick video to show you guys how to run updates on your computer if it ever needs one. So if you go down to your settings cog and you go to Windows Update down here on the bottom left, there's already one here waiting, so you might want to run a check just in case there could be other ones. And before I run this one, I also want to make sure that there are no secondary optional updates. And you can see there is one available here. So I click that and I want that one, download and install. Oh, that's the one that it's already showing. But sometimes there'll be optional ones that aren't necessarily for Windows. They're usually for your computer or for a driver or something to do with software other than Windows, so it can find those as well under the advanced options. So depending on how fast the Microsoft server is, this can take some time. So if you just click that and let it run maybe before you leave or while you work, you can do that too. So I'm just going to pause this video and wait for it to finish. So it's going to download 100% and then it's going to go through an install of 100%. And then when it disappears, we'll continue. So now it's done downloading and it's just installing now. So we're at 25%. Okay, so it's almost time to restart. So it has finished its installation and now you just have to go and restart. And if there are apps currently open, you need to make sure that you've saved everything before you restart, or just restart anyway. Come on. And once it does its restart, it'll probably, for this particular update, probably 5 minutes, if that. It's not an essential update, so that's why it didn't install it, download it, and install it on its own, because it wasn't an essential update. So, but even if you don't install these non-essential updates, it can affect the computer and how it functions. So if there ever is an update, it's really good to just install it anyway, these non-essentials. Once you run that first update and you restart it, it's good to run the update again because there could be updates that follow up on the previous update that can only be installed after the first one was updated and you won't see it. So I'm just running this again, and sure enough, there's a Net Framework update for Windows. So I'm just running this, it's installing it. And I gotta restart one more time, and then I'll run it one more time until there are no updates.